Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a bunny egg, but when you open it, it's going to be an Easter bunny, and if you flip it, it's going to say Happy Easter. So yeah, that's what we're going to be drawing today. And before we get right into this video, I need to tell you about my website where you can buy shirts, stickers, and etc. So now let's get right into the video. Alright people, so the first one we're going to draw for bunny surprise fold is not going to be drawing. We're going to be folding. So we're going to take this top, put it all the way to the bottom. You got to smooth it out. That. Then you're going to take this side and fold it to that side. Like this. Then you're going to open it, and then open it up again, and then boom. Got your mouth. It looks funny, but not a mouth, because it's going to be a surprise fold with an egg coming, with a secret. Alright, so the first one I'm going to draw is going to be just a big N. Then, since there's a line right there, we're just going to draw, make it like it's not even there. Then you can add circles. And to make the bunny ears, you're going to draw 2 lines going up. They curve. Well, they bend down. Then you make the curve. Then you keep this line going to the end. Going to the end. Then just draw the exact same shape for like the ears. Alright, now we get to the opening. Alright, so right here we're gonna make it go. Keep going, then we're gonna stop. Same thing on this side. We're gonna make a we're gonna make a big zigzag line. And if you look, there is, and we want to make sure that we don't go over with our bunny over these 2 lines, because if we do, then it's going to be showing. So, look, you got a little egg, and it's open. Now time for the bunny. So we're going to draw, kind of like the egg, it's going to be another N shape. Then you can draw, well, you kind of have to. You draw the arms. You're going to be drawing the arms like that, kind of like a C or maybe another N. And we're going to do the exact same thing what we did right there. I'm going to make the 2 lines. It goes down, curves, goes right there. Curves, goes right there. I'm going to draw a circle with another circle, a circle with another circle in it. You know what? I need to erase that. Or for me, I did it like a C. Then right here, we're going to draw a line. And we'll draw like a triangle, a line that goes down. I'm going to curve it up. You can add 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Actually, no, they don't have that. Just not add that. And since it like broke open, you can add like pieces broken. But this is the part where it becomes the best. This part is optional, So you can make a thing that says, hold on, I just gotta see. You can write an age. You could write happy, and then Easter on this side. Or Easter. Oh no. With an exclamation point. Or you could do the exact same thing, but you make the words like the box thing. You could do that, which I'm gonna do. Alright, now here comes the outline. So you'll need a black for this part. You will also need, well, this is gonna be the outlining and coloring. You'll need a pink, like, I don't know why I did that thing, but a color like that. You will also need like a gray color if you're, you know, what I like to do, shade. But yeah, these are basically all your colors. So I'm going to fast forward the outlining and the coloring, and I'll see you guys when I'm done doing all that stuff. Alright people, this is your little egg. You little kitty, I'm gonna grab it. No. So yeah, that is how to draw your surpriseful egg for Easter. And if you flip it, it says Happy Easter. So yeah, Happy Easter everybody. See you guys in the next video.